Renault has launched new products every couple of months this year, expanding its product lineup. Over the past 5 years, it's grown from a few automobiles to a bustling lineup, and it's still growing. Renault introduced an electric Scenic, a new flagship Rafale SUV, and the unexplained Symbioz. Renault won't abandon its day ones. The brand's best-selling model, the Captur, received a redesign this year. It's Renault's smallest crossover, and sales have been strong for a decade, selling 2 million of them. Though the Captur was once one of the best compact SUVs, it now faces competition from the Nissan Juke and Ford Puma. Any news? The Captur has always had good visuals, so this update focuses on them. After getting the firm's new family face, it looks like the new Scenic and Symbioz. The grille and daytime running lights mimic Renault's diamond-shaped insignia, which has changed. Inside, the Captur uses Renault's new OpenER-Link infotainment system, which integrates Google Maps and the voice assistant. The rest of the inside has been updated with recycled materials and leather removal. Check sustainability box. Renault Captur front drive. A new e-Spirit Alpine trim, featured on the Clio and Austral, gives the Captur its first Alpine insignia, rolls eyes, and larger 19-inch alloy wheels, rolls eyes, but it looks fine. The specs? 1 petrol and 1 hybrid engines are available, as with the former Captur and Clio Super Mini. Renault's plug-in hybrid model proved unsuitable for the car and only accounted for 3% of sales, thus it's been retired. The hybrid model here has the same 1.6-liter petrol engine with 2 electric motors as other Renaults, producing 143 bhp and the ability to reach 0 to 62 miles per hour in 10.6 seconds and 106 miles per hour flat out. A 1.2 kilowatt-hours battery and innovative multi-mode gearbox are used. Renault Captur rear drive. Renault claims 60 miles per gallon, which is easily doable, but careful driving can provide much more. We got 80 miles per gallon on a pleasant urban, country, and freeway journey, which is impressive for a self-charging arrangement. Most purchasers are expected to choose the entry-level petrol, a 1.0-liter turbocharged engine with 89 bhp and 160 Nm. It only comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, thus a hybrid is required for an automatic. Performance stats aren't impressive. 0 to 62 miles per hour takes 14.2 seconds and maxes out at 104 miles per hour. We haven't tried it yet. Renault says it gets 47 miles per gallon. What's driving like? This is mostly a cosmetic facelift, although the suspension and steering have been updated. The Captur is fun to drive, but the Ford Puma is class leader. Direct handling and ample grip give the Captur the confidence to be pushed harder than many of its competitors. Despite the adjustments made to make the Captur more dynamic, we favor the comfort setting for gentler driving. Renault Captur, 2024, side drive. We tested it on UK roads and found it pleasant and compliant, but we'd recommend the 18-inch wheels for comfort. Although unsettling on the Esprit Alpine's 19s, it rides better than a Nissan Juke on the same wheels. On paper, the Captur's normal petrol engine seems underpowered, and the hybrid isn't smooth. Renault's E-Tech hybrid setup has improved greatly since its introduction, but the gearbox's complexity causes the car to struggle to locate the proper mode when you press the pedal. It can be noisy and inconvenient, especially when accelerating or ascending. It runs well as a EV even at motorway speeds, making it affordable to run.